Here, this is a Merle boy. Beautiful Merle boy. American bully. Come here, Papa. He is available. Got some nice Merle patterns. If you look at the Merle, that a light gray Merle, black, dark Merle, gray spots. Like, look at this dog. Beautiful. Beautiful boy. All right. I'm Nietzsche's Empire Golden Kennels. Look at this. This is the second Merle boy that is available. Look at him. Platinum. Look at that. Look at that Merle in him.
Turn him to the side.
This boy is available.
His little tongue.
Bang, 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 bang. Mr. Dominice's Empire Golden Kennels. You already see what it is. This is
Stop moving.
the third Merle girl. Now, this one is the third Merle that I have in the litter that is available. This one is a female. Yes, she is. Come on, Mama. Relax. This one is a female. She's all like, yo, you dog, you about to kill me. This one is a female. I don't even know what to call this Merle color. All I know is it's fire.
No, she's not missing any hairs. That's just her white.
That's all. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It looks like she is, but she's not.
It looks like she's missing hair, but it's not. I'm actually looking at the dog, and the Merle is like so crazy. Like, look right here. Look right here. That looks like a bald spot, but it's not. Like, that's the Merle in the dog. Ooh. Look at that face.
Look at Mama.
Look at that.
Mira, Mama. No ears. Paws.
Beautiful puppy.
And she got a dark paw right here and a light Merle paw. She's
Beautiful puppy.
Half black.
EGK's baby. EGK's Raven.
No, her paw's not. She does not have no mishaps with her paws. It's just how she was
Everything
standing.
is perfect.